Hello, this is Kajal A, and in this video we'll be learning about summary statistics with this data in Excel. So first, for that we have to select the datas. That is, I'm going to select column E. For that, shift and right arrow key, then Control X, cut it. Then I'm going to paste it over here, and for that insert cut cells. So after inserting the datas for which I want to generate a mean median mode is segregated together. So the shortcut key for summary statistics is Alt A Y2, and we are going to click on descriptive statistics, OK, and input range. The range what we are going to select is M, then shift and right arrow. This is done. Then we have to tick on these labels in first row. Then I want my output to be in the same worksheet, so output range I have to give. For that I want my data to be here, so I am given the output range, and after this summary statistics and click on OK. It's going to take a bit of time, but my data is here. So we learned in this video how to make summary statistics with the data given. So for delivery time, sales amount and stock level, I have generated descriptive statistics. Now we have to visualize sales data trends across different product categories to identify the best selling and low selling items. In order to visualize the best selling and low selling items, we need to insert pivot chart, and to insert pivot chart the shortcut key is Alt and VT, and hence we don't have any worksheet, so we have to create the pivot chart in a new worksheet. So click on OK, and we need to select product category and the sales amount, and after this click on right button, and we need to sort it. We have to sort this amount by highest to lowest. So if we segregate this, we get this data which is the best selling and the lowest selling, and we have to insert pivot chart to visualize this. And for that I'm selecting line chart, click on OK. So we will get the visualization of this data. So we can adjust the size, and in order to remove the fields, just click on right button and hide all fields button on charts. So this is how we can visualize the category, product category, categories. So we'll be now doing like how to get stock availability across different store locations and product categories. For that, again we need to insert one more pivot chart. For that, again we have to insert shortcut keys Alt NVT. Hence we want in the existing file itself, so just click on existing worksheet and give the location. To give in the location, click OK. So we got, and in order to see the stock availability across different store locations, we need to give store location and product category and the stock levels. So product category we can just drag and put it in the columns. So we got the different product category in different store locations. Now in order to visualize this, just go to pivot chart and I'm going to select the column chart and I'm going to give OK. So I can adjust the chart now, and hence I can make it as per the requirement. And in order to hide this fields, just hide all field buttons on chart, and here it's done. Now we are going to visualize sales fluctuations across different seasons and events. So for this, again just insert one more pivot table. For that, Alt NVT, and we want in the existing file itself, so go and select the location, click on OK button. So we got it. For that we need to select seasons, so seasonal demand and events. So what I'm going to do is and select the sales too. I'm going to drag the seasons demand into the column, and hence I'm going to apply, as you can see, this drop down button. Just going to add filters here, and I just want the data is related to Black Friday, Cyber Cyber Monday, and holiday. Other things I'll just put tick mark, like I'll untick it and just click OK. So this is the data I got. So in order to visualize this, I can just go to pivot chart and I'll add line chart to it, and this is how it's visualized here. I can adjust a bit. So I want to hide this, so double click and remove hide all fields buttons on chart. Here is it done. So next I'll be doing weather impact on sales. So examine sales patterns under different weather conditions. For that again the step is inserting a pivot table. For that again Alt and VT, and same we have to do it in the existing worksheet. So I'll go to the existing worksheet and give the location and click OK. So for that we have to drag now weather condition, that is like weather impact, to the rows, and sales amount, to the values. So this is it. So in order to make the comparison more better, what I can do is I can add insert slicer, and hence we want sales patterns into different weather conditions. So what I'll do is I'll again add date, tick mark the date or event period and event period. Just okay. So this thing can add it here. And as we see now, if we click on this, we get the data based on this. So now we will be finding out who is the most reliable supplier. For that again we need to insert pivot table, Alt and VT, then go to existing worksheet. I want the location here, click on OK. So in order to find the most reliable supplier, just click on supplier and just drag it, put it in the row. Now you have to sort it as per the highest, largest to smallest. So we got the most reliable supplier, and we can visualize by column chart. Just click on OK. You can hide these fields. So next we have is how we can compare sales volume during normal period was peak periods. For that again we have to insert a pivot table, again Alt and VT, existing worksheet. Go to the existing worksheet. I want it here. Just click OK. So event type, and sales amount. This is it. So we can more better represent this by adding a slicer. adding the date. So during peak periods, we can find the sales. You can see. Next we have is how spoilage rate trends. So for that again we have to insert a pivot chart. Alt and VT. Click on existing worksheet. Give the location and click on OK. So we want to find the spoilage rate. For that we need to go to this product category and the spoilage rate. This is done. And we got the rate. We can use a conditional formatting. Go to home. You can see this conditional formatting. Select this. Select this. Go to conditional formatting and go to color scales. Now as you can see, we want the highest. Highlight this. So this is how spoilage rates can be identified. Just go to pivot table analyze pivot chart. Just insert this spoilage rate. Double click on this and remove all fields. This is it. Next we have is how to identify popular product categories in different store location. For that again we have to insert a pivot chart. Alt and VT. Click on existing worksheet. Go to sheet 3. Give the location and OK. So for that we need to select store location, then product category and sales amount and the sales amount. Product category we can drag it to columns. Yeah. Now what we can do is we can sort the sales. We can sort this by largest to smallest. So we can see this in clothing. The highest is in UK. Easily find out. Now insert a pivot chart. column. Okay. Skip the location. Hide this buttons, field buttons, and here we go. Next we have is average delivery time per location. In order to do that, again we have to insert one more pivot chart, table, alt NVT. Give the existing worksheet, give the location, type K. So average delivery time, give store location, delivery time. And what we can do is we show this as average, and we can use conditional formatting. Go to home, use conditional formatting. The highest is this. Click on this and insert a pivot chart. Adjust the size, hide all field buttons on chart. This is it. So this is how we get the delivery time performance. We want to compare sales performance across store locations. For that, again we have to insert pivot table, alt NVT. We want in the existing worksheet, so just click on existing worksheet, give the location and click on OK. So store location and the sales. I have to sort it as per the largest to smallest and go to pivot chart, click on the column chart and just click OK. So we got the data. In order to delete this, hide all field buttons on chart. This is it. We were able to find out the store location performance. Thank you for watching my video. So this is how we get